In this video, I'm going to show you how to add plugins to Cakewalk next. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is get the plugins that you want to add. So I do have a folder over here, which I'm going to show you just so we can understand how this actually works. So I'm going to open up my file explorer, and then in here, you'll see inside my downloads folder, I created a folder which is called plugins VST3. Now, it's up to you however you name this and where you save this. It's not important. Just make sure you know where you've saved it and where you're holding your plugins. Then, of course, when you download or obtain a plugin like a VST plugin or something similar, you can just go and drag and drop it into that specific folder. And like this, as you can see, I have one sample plugin in here. Okay, that's the first important part. Now, once you've done this, you want to go to the Cakewalk, not BandLab. You want to go to Cakewalk next, and you want to click on Edit up top and click on Preferences. In here, you want to go to Plugins, which is the third tab over here, and you want to enable VST3 and VST as well. And then, of course, here you can click on Scan Now to scan for plugins. Now, as you can see, for me, it says no new plugins found. So if it says that for you, but you've actually added new plugins, what you want to do is where it says Custom VST Plugin Location, you want to click on this button over here, which is the Add Plugin folder, and you can just go and find it. So for me, it's inside Downloads, and here we go. Here's the folder. You want to double click on it and click on Select Folder. Now, just like this, as you can see, it's going to say Plugin Scan Complete, and you can see here you have the Custom VST Plugin Location, and that's essentially all you have to do. Make sure your plugins are in there. Make sure you actually rescan every single time you update this, and that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.